Hello everyone, this is Raman Rana here, your mathematics teacher, Cambridge International School, Dasua. Today we will discuss the marking scheme of paper 2, September examination. Paper 2, question number 1 is regarding the order of rotational symmetry, order of rotation symmetry. Here, if we see the picture, we have one line of symmetry, and if we, with the help of trace paper, if we rotate the figure, the trace paper, after rotating 180 degree in clockwise directions, the figures, they will again superimpose upon each other. So the order of rotation for this case, the order of symmetry is 2, right? And for question number 2, the temperature difference in noon, the temperature, that is 21 degree Celsius. So the difference in temperature, 21 degree Celsius minus 26 degree Celsius, which is minus of 5 degree Celsius. Question number 3, here a diagram is given. We have to find the value of x. So diagram is in this way. Here we have a point A and point C is here, and this ABC is given an isosceles triangle where AB is equal to BC, and we have given this angle is 50 degree, and here the point is D. Now we have to find the angle X. So we know first the linear pair of angle. If this angle is 50 degree, so this angle, the angle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 50. That is 130 degree. So once this angle is 130 degree, it is an isosceles triangle. So both angles should be your same angles. And one more concept we can apply here, that is the sum of the exterior angle of a triangle. That is always the sum of two opposite interior angles. So here we have always, that is x plus x is equal to 50 degree. So here twice of x, that is 50, and x, that is 25 degree, right? So in any way we can do. We can apply the linear pair concept, or we can apply the concept of the exterior angle property of a triangles, right? So question number 4, here a very simple question. You have to write down a square number greater than 10. So greater than 10, 16 is a square number, 25 is a square number, 36 is a square number, so on. So they are asking only one square number which is greater than 10. And it is having one more part. They are asking, give an example of the irrational number. So you can give any irrational number like √3, √7. Okay, all these are irrational numbers. Now switch over to question number 5. In question number 5, what we have? We have y is equal to mx plus c, the equation of line in the slope intercept form, where the slope, the m is given, x is given, and the value of c, the slope, that is minus 8, x is minus 2, and the value of m, that is minus 3. So here we have to find the value of y. So the value of y here, y is equal to, that is minus of 3 into minus of 2 plus minus of 8. So here the value of y, that is equal to minus, it is minus into minus will plus, that is 6 minus of 8, which is minus of 2. So here the value of y is equal to minus of 2. So this is about question number 5. Now switch over to question number 6. In question number 6, here we have a trapezium is given and the sum of the parallel sides are also given. So here we have to find the area of a trapezium. Area of the trapezium, area is equal to half into the sum of parallel sides, they are 7 plus 11, and the perpendicular height h, that is 5 units. So here the area, that is area of a trapezium, is here, that is 18 divided by 2, that is 9 into 5, so it is 45 square units. Area is always in square units, okay? So here it is given in centimeter, so it is square centimeter. So area is equal to 45 centimeter square or square centimeter. Whereas question number 7 is from sets. Here you have to the Venn diagram is given, and in this Venn diagram you have to the two sets A and B, they are shown. Set A and set B, this rectangle, it is the universal set, and here we have to shade the region. We have to shade the portion or the region which is A intersection of B. A intersection B, we have to shade this portion here. So this one complete, if we are completing AB, that is A union B, but the portion which is common, this here, the shaded portion is the portion that is A intersection B, right? And question number 8, that is we have to represent 2 raised to power we have to represent question number 8, that is 2 raised to power minus 4 as a decimal. As we have discussed, we can write this 2 raised to power minus 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power 4. So here a very simple way, that is 5 raised to power 4 upon 5 raised to power 4. Why I am doing, we have discussed 2 raised to power n, 5 raised to power m. For the decimal representation, if the numbers which have the terminating decimal representation, the denominator is always in the form of 2 raised to power n, 5 raised to power m, right? When the decimal representation is terminating one, when the decimal representation is terminating, then the number p upon q, the denominator q, is always in the form of 2 raised to power n, 5 raised to power m. In another way, the factors, denominator is having factor of 2 and 5 only, either 2 or 5 or both 2 and 5. So here what we have 5 raised to power 4 upon, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is it? This is equal to 25 into 25, that is 625, and when we convert them into decimals, so we have the answer 0.0625. That is the answer of question number 8. In question number 9, the bearing of B from A is given, and we have to find the bearing of A from B. So in question number 9, the bearing of the bearing of A from B, bearing of A from B is, that is 180 plus 105 dB, that is 285 dB. So bearing of the point A from point B, that is 205. Whereas in question number 10, we have a very simple algebraic expression, that is P upon 2Q multiply by, that is 4PQ divided by, that is T. So here 2 get cancelled with 2, okay, Q get cancelled with Q, and we have left here with 2P into P, that is P square divided by 2. Whereas the question number 11, in question number 11 again we have, without calculator we have to find, that is the fraction, the mixed fraction, that is 1, the mixed fraction, that is 1 3 by 4 and minus of 11 by 12. So here this mixed fraction we will bring it to a simple fraction, that is 7 by 4 minus of 11 by 12. So LCM here is 12, and we have, that is 7 into 3, that is 21 minus 11. So here 21 minus 11, that is 10 upon 12. So here again the simplest one, that is 5 2s are, and so we have the answer, that is 5 by 6 is the required answer, right? 5 by 6 is the required answer. Now next, question number 12. Question number 12 is related with the percentage. So here we have given the cost price, and the cost price here, that is given $5, that is $5, and the selling price, that is that is 4.60. So here selling price is less, so the person, he suffered a loss, and what's the, we have to find the percentage loss. So here what is the loss? Loss is 0. That is $0.40, okay, and the percentage here, the loss percent, that is always loss percentage, we always find, that is your loss upon CP into 100. So when we put the value, we will get, that is 8%, right? Now next question, question number, that is 13. In question number 13, we have given that this is okay. Question number 13. Question number 13 is simple. 8t, simplify 8t raised to power. We have 8t raised to power 4 divided by, so it is 8t raised to power 8 divided by 4t raised to power 4. So here when we divide, we can write that 4t raised to power, okay, upon 4t raised to power 4. So it is 2 and powers, then we have learned that a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is written as a raised to power m minus n. So here 8 minus 4, so we have the answer 2t raised to power 4. This is about the 13th question. Whereas question number 14 is solve the equation. Very simple equation is there, in which we have 1 minus x upon 3 is equal to 5. 1 minus of x upon 3 is equal to 5. So here cross multiply, what we have? We have, that is 15, and again what is x? Interchanging the sides. So we have x is equal to minus of 14. So this is question number 14. Whereas in question number 15, we have the height that is given 175, and here we have to correct it to nearest 5 centimeter. So here to nearest 5 centimeter, the height that is 75, and we have to go for the upper bound. So here 5, that is plus 2.5, so that is 177.5, right? So this is about question number 15. And question number 16 here is we have to find the value of in standard form 3 into 10 raised to power, that is minus 3 raised to power 3 in the standard form. So in the standard form, when we multiply, go for the cube, it is 3 into 3 into 3 is 27, and here 10 raised to power minus of 9, right? But when we write in the standard form, the standard form, that is 2.7 into 10 raised to power minus 8. So here when we bring one decimal, right? So here both numbers are same, but this is the standard form. In question number 17, we have to add the length of the train and the distance of the length of the platform. So the total distance and the time taken, that is given, and we have to find the speed. So in question number 17, we have, that is the length of the train, that is, so the distance is, total distance is length of train, that is 105 meter, and the station, the length of that is 225 meter, right? And whereas the time is given, that train took 11 seconds to pass, right? So here we want to find the speed of the train. Speed, we know that is the distance traveled on time taken. So here that is 330 upon 11, so which is your 30 meter per second. And when we convert this speed from meters per second to kilometer, so we got it 108 kilometer per hour. So how to change? We can convert the meters into kilometer and the time, that is in seconds, into the hours. So we got 108 kilometer per hour. Whereas in the question number 18, we have, in question number 18, the single transformation, the center of the, that is the center we will find, that is 3 and 4, the coordinates are 3 and 4, and the order, that is minus 2 and minus 2, and the rotation, that is 180 degree. Question number 19, that is we have to write y as this formula is h square minus x square is equal to y 2y square. So here we have to write y as a subject, right? So here we can write, that is h square minus x square divided by 2, and here undo. So this is the y, we have written y as a subject here, right? So question number 20. In question number 20, we have the question is related with the circles, and here we have asked with the 4 parts: angle 1, angle C, and angle D. So here the concept of the angle subtended at the center of the circle is always twice the angle subtended at the corresponding arc of the circle. So here first, that is angle, that is ADC, which is 49 degree, angle AOC, which is 98 degree, and angle, that is BAT, that is 20 degree, and angle OAB, that is equal to your 70 degree. So this is question number 20. Question number 21, again from law of exponents. In question number 21, we have the A part, that is 5x raised to power 4 raised to power 3. So here we have, that is 5 cube, that is 125, and x raised to power 4, that is 12. Here we have applied the concept, that is a raised to power m into whole raised to power n, that is a raised to power m into m. So here 4 into 3, that is 12. So this is question number, that is the first part. And in B part, that is 256 x raised to power 256 raised to power 3 by 8. So here, after solving, we get, that is 2 raised to x raised to power 96. Question number 22. In question number 22, we have to find the value of k and the value of p here. So value of k, in this case, the value of k, that is coming 1.9, and the value of p, that is coming your 16, right? And in question number 23, here we have the table in which we have to find the points. So here the value of x and y, they are the different values. If for x 1, 2, 3, 4, the respective value of y, they are, and here the equation, that is y is less than equal to, that is 8 minus 2x, and when we plot, so we got the value, that is 6, 4, 2 and 0, right? And when we plot all these lines, we got the graph, right? And the graph here, where you have to plot, the one is the line at 2, right? And one is here, from this point will be 8 here, and this is 4 here, right? And the another line which that will pass in this way, and this is the area here, the triangle portion. And whereas B part, the answer, that is 6. So whereas question number 24, in question number 24, the value theta, here the theta is given, the angle that is found to be 45.84 degree, and the area of sector, the area is 25.601 centimeter square, right? So this is about question number 24. Whereas in question number 25, after the polynomial is given, in question number 25, after solving the common factor, here what we have the answer, that is 2x minus 5 upon, it is your a minus 2b, right? And the 26th question is, here we have to find the value of n. So here when we find the value of n, so n is coming 4, right? The value of n is coming 4, and whereas in the last question, by using the cosine rule, right? By using the cosine rule, we have the x, the value of x, that is equal to your 64.9b. So this is all about your paper 2, and you can check your all answers, okay? And after this, you will also rectify your mistakes. With this, thank you very much. Work hard, stay safe and stay healthy.